Here's our water heater purification system. It is up and running right now. It is 100% off the grid. Here is your solar powered pump apparatus. That is a submersible pump in the tank right there. There's your outlet yellow hose and your inlet insulated. Both of them are insulated, but different color. Black is the going in and yellow is the coming out. If you notice, there's some imperfections in the shape of the parabola because we made it in a barn on limited funding, but that's an easy fix. If you see all this light on the ground right here, this is probably 35 to 45% of the energy that we're actually harnessing right now to achieve what we're achieving. And we started at right at about 100 degrees, and you see we're at 160 degrees now in about an hour and a half. And like I said, half of this energy, this should be over 200 degrees right now, but the imperfection is coming from, you know, the light that's being transmitted in the wrong places. It needs to be all focal point down that laser beam in the middle. And if you can see, the beam's lit up, but you can also see down on the ground here, there's these two beams that have strayed away, and you wouldn't think that's as much power as I'm about to show you. If you look right here, we've got damage to this hose where light came off reflecting. If you look right here, this piece melted through from escape light. We've got some escape light damage down here on this piece. These are all melted spots where that laser beam hit the hose and didn't go where it was supposed to. These are easy, you know, mitigations here. This is nothing that's a problem. It just shows you how much more energy the system as it's functioning right now is working great, but I like to get that temperature up just a little bit hotter. And if you see the heat I need, it's right there. It's right there on the ground. So once I can get that heat on the ground to go to this evacuation tubes right here, then this thing's on fire. I mean, it's absolutely marvelous. It's wonderful. Water heater purification system right here. Works as good in the Mojave Desert as it would on the Iditarod Trail in sub-zero temperatures. So there's a major solution. I'm going to take you into my nerdy, dirty barn and show you the two solar cookers. Here they are. They are 4-foot tubes. They resemble a cooking grill. Lids come off nice and easy. Shows you the two cooking compartments hidden under each lid. Each lid also has its thermometer. Ambient temperature storage in the glass tube underneath. Variable temperature settings will be on the ends on both units. You have a locking handle here, T-handle. You turn it and loosen it. You have your other one right here. You turn it and loosen it. And if you notice, at all times, the cooking tray stays in an upright position no matter which way the parabola turns. So it's balanced. And that's how the parabola goes into a resting position at night, so it protects your cooking tray. And that's also one of the preferred embodiments that'll be incorporated for the hybrid unit. And I've got them tilted up the same just because they look consistent and good for display purposes. There you go. There's both of your solar cookers. They're absolutely beautiful. They work great. And I made the parabola right here. I mean, this is as true as I could get it in a barn with this handmade jig that I made. Put the tube down in that hole down there and bend it through the channels that I created right here. Some of the tube left over. There's your Mylar solar reflective film. And you can see the places. A mess. I'm just giving you a little look around my little hidden lab in the back where I work on stuff. One of my first pictures I drew of an over unity system. And this is the workshop. So I'll give you one more night shot of the solar hot water heater purification system. There it is. Working like a champion. Logan. Woo woo. Hey Logan.
Hey.
Say hey to Miss Thomas.
Hey.
Hey. Hey woo woo. Sing for Daddy. Sing for Daddy. Sing ah la la la. La 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 la.